Hello, beautiful. How are you today? I want to keep this short and sweet. This is going to be about how to prepare your hair for a wig. And the reason that I share this with you today is because I did not know how to do that. I purchased this blonde wig for a relationship, a homework kind of thing. I went out and I was a blonde for an afternoon. This is a good quality wig. I spent a lot of money on it, and it's got a couple of little combs in here to attach, and yeah, it's a really good quality wig, so I was really happy to wear it, but I didn't know how to prepare my hair. So I've got a lot of hair, it's very dark, and there would be quite a contrast if I didn't do something with all of this. If you have longer hair, the best thing for you to do is put your hair into a French braid, and that will just pull everything back and ensure that you're not going to get any weird little strands poking out. Remember that tip that I gave you about putting the hairspray onto your head just to make sure that no flyaways kind of get out? If you've got shorter hair and you're wanting to pull that back, then I would suggest wetting it and of course brushing it back, combing it back, and then putting it into place with bobby pins. That is the best. And remember to crisscross them like that so that they lock into each other. And the other thing to remember is that when you're putting them in, so many people put them in like this with this ridged side up, and actually what you want to do is put it ridge side down so that it actually grabs onto your hair, and it'll actually help the bobby pin to stay in place. If you are someone who is wearing a wig because you are going through chemotherapy, I salute you for loving yourself enough to want to present yourself the best way possible. And if putting a wig on your head is what makes you happy and what makes you feel good about yourself, God bless you. And if you are someone who can just go out into public and not worry, maybe you've decided to shave your head, and well, then God bless you as well. You know what, there are some women out there with some absolutely beautiful heads, and I don't know whether I have that kind of head that I would be able to do that. I would hope that I would be strong enough to do that. But remember, you are loved. I love you, and keep fighting. I hope I don't cry. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is basically my tip for you for today. Thank you for being here with me. And if you liked what you saw, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That will keep you as a part of one of my beauties. And if you really liked it, then go ahead and tap that bell. That will alert you the next time that I upload new content to my channel. And I also thank you in advance for all the beautiful comments that you leave in the comment section. It means the world to me. So thank you. And remember, ladies, I am enough. I love every single one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.